Hello, Aiden. So, if you are out there and planning on making a vlog or YouTube series or whatever it is, do yourself a favor and don't use Capture. This is my second video of the day because my first one had no sound again. So I'm gonna have to try to remember what I said. Man, why am I yellow? Oompa loompa doopity. Sorry, my iPad quality is awful. I have a better camera. It's just why. But anyway, so today I'm super tired. I have 3 projects. I've done 2 of them. I presented one. I'm probably gonna get a big F on the others. So I walked to McDonald's, which is like a good 2 miles away from my school with some friends or acquaintances. And yeah, it turned a thrilling adventure about the time me and you, or me and Aiden, depending on who's watching, went on a hike and almost died. Of course, it was completely made up. But anyway, I wrote that, and now I've turned it into a romance paper. I might get ridiculed for this, but I'm very homophobic. I'm sorry. So yeah, school sucks. My teacher's awkward. Hope to see you soon. Sorry I'm a Debbie Downer. I'm just kind of frustrated. Oh wait, good thing. I hooked... Darn it, Jack. I hooked my Netflix from my brother's Wii U up, and now I have access to Netflix. But yeah. How close can I make my eyebrows? Later, Aiden.